In this video, I'm going to talk about Lewis acids and bases. You would encounter these after dealing with Arrhenius acid bases, which are the hydrogen and hydroxide releasers, and Brunstad-Lowry acids and bases, which are the proton releasers and acceptors. And there's another kind of acid-base theory which deals with a very special type of acid and base. And in this case, an acid is going to be something that has an empty orbital on one side. So for example, if we have, let's do BF3. Boron only has 3 electrons, so it's going to put 1 in each bond, and it's going to have an open orbital on this side. Our fluorines have full outer shells now that they're sharing an electron with boron. And so we have this open spot here. And if we combine that with something like NH3, notice that this one, instead of having an empty orbital like this one, it has a pair here of electrons. And so these two things can come together, and these two electrons can plug into this open orbital right here, and you'll end up with your BF3, and these two electrons came from the N. And so right here, these two electrons plug into that open spot, and we end up with this one big molecule here. And our thing that has the extra pair is our base. And the thing that has the open spot is our acid, by this definition. And then they plug together, and these electrons get shared between those two atoms, boron and nitrogen. And that's how a Lewis acid and base work. I hope this has helped. Come watch my other videos. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.